Hello everyone, this is Coltimus Prime here, and I'm doing several videos on following Birds of Prey, because I think this is going to be a woke disaster for the DC universe. And so I'm at Scotiabank Theater, Chinook. This is the biggest theater in a city of 1.5 million people that I live in, and we're going to find out here. There's no interest whatsoever. So Thursday, this is the first day. These are the first screenings. 6:40, 7:40, 7. This is the first movies. The first screening on the first Thursday. And this pre-tickets, 0. Refresh. Oh no, it's still 0. It's still 0. IMAX, you have 10, which is weird. Individuals buying tickets. 10 out of 369. 10 out of 279 seats. Okay. How about Friday? It's only showing me. Okay, this is the biggest theater. When Star Wars, The Last Star Wars came out, there was like 37 showings, per day. They have I think 15 theaters, and there's only 12 on the first Friday. There's only 12, and let's check out IMAX first. 0. 6. 2. IMAX at 7:40 local. 2 tickets. Late night? No, 0. 2 tickets. 2 tickets. 7 p.m. 2 tickets. 7 p.m. Ultra Atmos at 2 tickets. So in a city of 1.5 million people, one of the biggest malls in Canada, in a city of 1.5 million people with the biggest movie theater in probably 500 kilometers away, has 30 tickets sold for 16 showings, the first 16 showings. Yeah, no one cares. Nobody cares about your feminist, woke, man-hating, loser movie. Nobody cares. Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. No one cares.